Today, we're going to be jumping into the exciting world of video marketing, specifically landing pages in video marketing, and why the experts say this is a game changer. Now, in just a minute, I'm going to take you in and show you actual examples of how to use Canva to build landing page websites in like 5 minutes that you can use in your marketing. You can use it as a prime video. You can use it as a QR code. Guys, I'm going to show you actual real world examples and why you need to be utilizing video in your marketing. Now, first thing we need to talk about is engagement. Did you know that video content is far more engaging than your old boring static text or static images? Think about when you guys are on Facebook and you see a video, you're more inclined to click that video and watch it, especially if the content is good, as opposed to a static, just an image, and it has some text on it, or a 4-second GIF. An actual video has much more engagement and converts at a higher rate. Now, it gets better. According to HubSpot, and I didn't know this till I did my research with this group, according to them, video on your landing pages can boost your conversion rates by up to 80%. Guys, let me just stop right there. That is why I am with a passion teaching that if you're going to do direct mail or you're going to do landing pages, you've got to put your video on that page at the top, and you have to hook them in the first 5 seconds. And then very expertly, using your ninja skills, convey your message in a way that wants them to continue reading the rest of your site, or at least engage you for a conversation. Now, let's talk about consumer confidence. When they see videos, they're actually more confident to pursue a conversation with you than, again, your static text. And guys, this is where we're at now. People are on TikTok for hours a day. They consume video. Now, let's talk about your brand and how people recall you. Viewers retain, now guys, watch this, 95% of a message when they watch it on a video compared to just 10% when reading it in a text. So imagine reaching out to a for sale by owner, and you got the option to have 95% of the FSBO actually retaining what you say versus 10% of what you text or you put in a static script. Which of those do you think will convert at a higher rate for you? I'll let you answer that question. You see, videos help build stronger emotional connections with your audience according to your offers or pitches, and it enhances who you are in their eyes. Videos are also incredibly versatile. They're also shareable. They can be used across multiple platforms like social media, websites, email campaigns, and so much more. And since social media prioritizes video content, guys, in other words, when you use video in your marketing, it actually gains higher juice with the social media companies. You're going to see a much higher engagement and more shares. If you want to prove it, go to Instagram and go and look and see on the people that you follow. Find out what they post, which gets more engagement, and you're going to find out that it's when they post videos as opposed to a static image. Now, let's see practical examples on how to use Canva to build video engaged websites. All right, guys, get ready because I'm going to take you into Canva and I'm going to show you guys how to, in literally less than a minute, how to build a video landing page website that you can use in your marketing. Check this guys out. All right, guys, so now we're going to go into Canva and I'm going to show you how to build these websites using video and clickable links and practical examples of how to use these on different marketing strategies. Are you guys ready? You want to see this? It's so simple. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to share my screen and take you into Canva. So guys, when you guys go to Canva, there's a little button down here on the top called Websites. Simply click it. It's going to bring up this section here. And there are multiple different templated websites you can create. I'm in real estate. I'm an education-based marketer. So I'm going to pick the education website. You guys are welcome to explore all of the different examples. I'm going to create a blank, and it's going to bring up this right here. If you'll notice, there's said 9 pages. So there are 9 different pages. Think of a page as on a website. You've got home screen, about us. Here's a thing that you guys have been there. Websites have all those multiple tabs. Well, all of these other pages, if you really wanted to spend some time and build out a complete website, you can do that. I don't want to do that. For the purpose of your marketing, let's build 1-page video websites that you can reuse over and over. And guys, here's another thing. In this instance that I'm going to show you, we're going to talk about doing a video funnel website for pre-foreclosures as our example. And once you build the first website, you can go into Canva and clone that website and simply change the video message. Let's say you're marketing to a foreclosure, and say you have a 5-letter marketing campaign, a 5-email campaign, or 5 postcards, and each postcard, letter, or email has a different offer or story that you're trying to convey education-wise. Then you simply go into this website you're going to build that I'm going to show you in a minute, and just simply go into Canva and copy it. It brings up a completely fresh version, and just simply change out either the text or the video, save it. And now you've got another video website for the next message in that series. So dadgum cool. I'll show you how to do it in a minute, guys. But let's move on. I'm going to go ahead and use this. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this, and you'll see why in a minute. I only need 2 clickable links. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Didn't mean to do that. Let's get rid of these guys. There we go. Let's bring him here and this one here. Okay. We'll get them right where they need to be. Then we're going to change this color. Let's go with black. Ooh, I like that. And then we're going to go ahead and do a couple really cool things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to uploads. Okay. Now, once you create a video on your computer, like I'm on my computer right now, I can use Zoom like I'm doing right now. I can record this and then download it to my computer as an MP4. And now I simply, or Loom, BombBomb, Dub, whatever you use to record videos, just simply save it to your computer as an MP4. And then when you're ready, just simply upload the image or the video. In this case, you could upload that. And now you've got videos that you can use on this website. So in this instance, I uploaded this video. So I'm just simply going to click it. It's going to bring it over here. And I'm going to size it down and move it over. Okay. There we go. Now, here's a couple really cool things you can do. You see how I've got the black background? In this case, I'm going to be reaching out to pre-foreclosures in this example. So I want to do a couple of things. I want to put some text on this. So I'm going to come over here to elements. I'm going to grab a square shape. There it is right there. I'm going to put it there. Okay. I'm change the color to yellow because yellow and black look good together, and put it right there. Once that's done, I'm going to click it again and duplicate it and drag it down to the bottom. And there we go. This will allow me to resize this, recenter this. There we go. So now I've got that static black. We're going to deal with this in a minute. I also have these 2 yellows. So what am I going to do now? Let's put some text in here. So you're going to go hit text in Canva, grab the subheading, bring it up, and then drag it to the full length, and then type in here something like this. Watch the video to see how to stop the banks from stealing your house. Okay. And then I'm going to bring it up. I don't like the Canva sans, so let's change this font to something I like. And that would be, I like this Huskar bold. And then we're going to bring it down just a notch. Okay. And then we're going to change the color to black and yellow, guys. Right? So there's that. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click back in and I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to bring that text down here. Okay. And then I'm going to change this to me. Again, this is just a website, but I wanted them to have my information there. And let's change this. And effects wise, let's go here. Let's go here. Let's make it black. And there we go, guys. Looking good so far. Now, let's see if we can take this website up another notch. And again, guys, I could do all of what I'm showing you right now in about 3 to 4 minutes once I have the video done. This video is a little bit longer because I'm showing you how to do it. But guys, I'm going to go back into uploads and I'm going to go to images. You see these images? What I wanted was I wanted something in the background that looked like it would resonate with the user and really kick up my website a notch. So I went to Chat GPT and I said to Chat, I need a house underwater, water surrounded by sharks. That was the first one. That was the second one. That was the third one. So those are my options in terms of what we can do. So I think I like this one. I'm going to go ahead and download that. Okay, then I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to go to uploads, upload an image, and take this one. So once this image is totally uploaded, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go into the image and click it and replace background. And guys, there it is right there. I can even move my video over. I'm liking that website. So now we have a couple other things to do. Let's go ahead for the example here and we'll bring up Home Depot. Okay. I'm going to copy that website, and this is going to make sense in a minute. No, Home Depot is not a part of the marketing plan, but I wanted to use the website as a destination to show you how to do this. So if I come back over here, you notice I said these are 2 clickable links. Okay. Here you could go free consult. Okay. Once I have that, I go back into it, I right click it, and there's a link button. This is where I'm going to send them to my landing page where they can schedule a Zoom with me, right? I'm using Home Depot as an example, but I wanted to show you how simple that was. Once you know where you're going to send them, and let's say you have a free ebook on how to save your home, make sure you mention all of this in the video. So at the end of the video, say, hey guys, to the right of the video, there's a button that says free consult. I have partnered with a local law firm. Again, I'm just sharing you, pre-foreclosure marketing kind of a strategy here, but this video is not about pre-foreclosure marketing. But in this example, you could point them to get their absolutely free consultation with the attorney. Click that image, send them to the attorney's landing page where they can schedule that consult. Now, on the bottom one, you could also say, and if you'll look below that, click the link that says free ebook. I have an ebook that shows you what all of your options are and how to stop the banks from stealing from you, right? So in that case, you basically come over here, change this to free ebook, right? Once that's done, oh, I don't know how to do this right, do I? Free ebook. Once that's done, right click in it, go to link, and again, drop that link in there. Okay. Now you're done. Guys, the website's built. Here's how you launch it. You go up in here and you publish website. Publish website. Now, Canva is going to go ahead and literally assign a domain name to your website. Ninja tip, I'm not going to share with you how to do it today, but if you go into a company like GoDaddy and buy a domain, you can assign that domain as a forward assignment to this Canva email website. And now you can send people to an actual website address of your choosing, but it'll go right here. So let's go ahead and view the website. Here's what it looks like live, guys. Check this out. Look at that. That is freaking amazing. And if all they have to do is come over here, they're going to be getting check this out. Postcards from me, all with a QR code. When you scan it, it will offer you some amazing marketing strategies for you guys as you're selling your home. So there is your video landing page website, and you can use this in this instance for sale by owners. Look at the guys, please comment below. Now, for those of you that are website builders, don't go down there and say, oh my God, this looks like trash. Don't do that. For those of you that are a real estate agent or a business that's doing marketing, tell me if this just doesn't do it for you. I mean, I would do this all day long, and I'm a website builder. I can build websites. This thing is freaking amazing. And guys, here's the kicker. Once we're done, let me go back into this right here. Once we're done, okay, Canva's already saved this. I'm going to go back into my home. Now, let's say that I created that funnel. Let me get rid of the other ones. Here's one I created for myself, guys, using Canva. Pretty awesome, huh? But now that website's right here. So let's say that I'm doing a foreclosure 5 postcard marketing campaign, and I want to use this as a QR code. I simply come into the video that I created for the first FSBO. I hit the 3 dots. I come down here and I look at making a copy. Now it's duplicating that page, but once I publish it, it's going to give me another website address. So now I have two landing pages. I simply come into here, okay? I can go ahead and click out that, go back into uploads, go to videos, and I can grab my next video. So this could be it right there. I can take this video and go there. And then guys, simply publish the website, publish, and now I have a second website. So once you build your first, so let me quit sharing the screen. Once you build that first Canva video website, simply make a copy and put your next video. So for those of you that are like me that do video marketing, this is a game changer because it's other than the cost of your Canva membership. I think if you go with a pro, it's like $120 for the year or like $9 or $10 a month. They do have a free version. I'm not sure if you can do this on the free version, but if you can, score, right? So guys, now let's talk about practical ways to use this. So here we go. Before I show you that, let me go ahead and grab this and let me grab this. There we go. So let me share my screen. So now let's go ahead and look at how you're going to share this. So if you're using Google Chrome, and there's other ways you can create QR codes, you can create QR codes in Canva. I'm not going to show you how to do it on this video. Go to YouTube and say how to create a QR code in Canva, and there's a video for that. Not doing that on this one, but you can do that. But if you're using Google Chrome, just simply right click, create a QR code, and download. Save it to your computer. And so now you've got a QR code of this website. All someone has to do is scan the QR code to go to your website. Now, how can you use this? Here's an example right here, guys. Here is a letter. This is a for sale by owner letter. Imagine if this was a pre-foreclosure. You simply come over here to upload. You upload that QR code and replace this one. Now you have a QR code of your first video to the pre-foreclosure or whatever niche it is ready to go. So that's an example of putting it on your letters. But let's say if you want to go over here and do it on a postcard. Here's an example of a for sale by owner postcard that I have. And by the way, if you want access to my direct mail software, if you want the best direct mail program on the planet that comes fully stocked with 9 different niches of cards ready to launch, automated, if you want access to the most amazing direct mail platform, my weekly training and all of my card assets and my the letters that I've created over the last year or two, look below. I'll leave a link and you can get that dashboard set up today and you have an amazing direct mail platform. Here's an example of a FSBO card. But do you see this QR code? Again, I can drop that website into that QR code. And guess what? When that card gets to that, in this case, that pre-foreclosure, and they scan it, with my postcards, you're going to know when they scan it. It's going to give you their name, their phone number, their email, their address, and what card they scanned. And that's a trifecta, guys. That's a win because not only are you seeing when they scan your codes, you're also knowing who does it. But I don't want to go too crazy with that because this video is about creating these websites. But guys, that's how you can use this. You can also use that website address. If you're like me, you can go to GoDaddy and you can buy stop foreclosures, kellystopsforeclosures.com, right? You could assign that Canva website address to that URL. I mean, the sky's the limit. But guys, that's how you can create these amazing video landing page websites like this for any marketing angles that you guys use. So what'd you think about that one, guys? Drop me some comments below and let me know if you think you're going to be using this. And if you create one of these, come back to this video on the comments, drop your website that you created so that everybody can see it and we can all comment on it. All right, guys, that's it for this one. And until I see you guys on the next video, go get yourself some websites, get some marketing out, and go get yourself some deals. Because remember, this type of marketing converts at some of the highest conversion levels of any type of marketing that you're going to do. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next video.